The Artemis program marks humanity's exciting return to the moon. This time, we are going back to stay. NASA, along with global partners, is leading this ambitious endeavor. Artemis aims to land the first woman and the next man on the lunar surface. This mission is not just about planting a flag and returning, it's about establishing a sustainable presence on the moon. Imagine scientists conducting research, rovers exploring craters, and astronauts living and working on another celestial body. Artemis is about pushing the boundaries of human exploration. It's about testing new technologies and learning to live and work on another world. This knowledge will pave the way for future missions to Mars and beyond. The Artemis program is an inspiration to a new generation of explorers, dreamers, and innovators. It reminds us that anything's possible when we set our minds to it. The Artemis program is designed as a series of missions, each building upon the previous one. This incremental approach ensures safety and maximizes learning opportunities. Artemis 1, already successfully completed, was an uncrewed test flight. The Orion spacecraft, launched by the mighty Space Launch System rocket, traveled around the moon. This mission tested the spacecraft's systems and capabilities in deep space. Artemis 2, scheduled for the near future, will carry a crew of astronauts on a similar journey around the moon. This will be the first crewed mission of the Orion spacecraft and the SLS rocket. Artemis 3, the most anticipated mission, will make history by landing astronauts on the lunar South Pole. This region is of particular interest due to the presence of water ice, a potentially valuable resource. The Artemis program relies on cutting-edge technology to make this ambitious journey possible. At its heart is the Space Launch System rocket, the most powerful rocket ever built. It is capable of carrying the Orion spacecraft and its crew beyond Earth's orbit. The Orion spacecraft is designed for deep space travel. It provides a safe and comfortable environment for astronauts during their journey to the moon and back. The spacecraft also has advanced life support systems and radiation shielding. The Exploration Ground Systems program provides critical infrastructure for launch operations. This includes the launch pad, vehicle assembly building, and launch control center. These systems ensure a safe and successful launch for every Artemis mission. The Artemis program is a testament to the power of international collaboration in space exploration. NASA is working alongside partners from around the world, including Europe, Canada, and Japan. The European Space Agency is a major contributor, providing the service module for the Orion spacecraft. This module provides propulsion, power, and life support systems for the crew during their journey to the moon. The Canadian Space Agency is developing a next-generation robotic arm for the Lunar Gateway, a space station that will orbit the moon. This arm will be used for various tasks, including docking vehicles and assisting astronauts during spacewalks. The Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency is contributing to the development of the Lunar Cruiser, a pressurized rover that will allow astronauts to explore the lunar surface for extended periods. This collaboration highlights the global nature of the Artemis program. Section 5, Destination Moon, Establishing a Lunar Presence. The Artemis program aims to establish a sustainable presence on the moon. This means going beyond short missions and creating a lasting infrastructure for future exploration. A key element of this plan is the Lunar Gateway, a space station that will orbit the moon. The gateway will serve as a hub for astronauts, enabling longer expeditions on the lunar surface. It will also facilitate scientific research and technological development. Another crucial aspect is the development of lunar habitats. These habitats will provide astronauts with a safe and comfortable place to live and work during their time on the moon. They will need to protect against radiation, extreme temperatures, and micrometeoroids. Resource utilization is another important aspect of a sustainable lunar presence. Scientists are exploring ways to extract and utilize resources found on the moon, such as water ice. This could reduce the need to transport resources from Earth. Section 6, Living on the Moon, the Lunar Gateway and Beyond. The Lunar Gateway represents a significant step towards a permanent human presence in space. It will be a smaller space station than the International Space Station. However, its strategic location in lunar orbit will make it a vital hub for lunar exploration. The gateway will consist of several modules, each with a specific function. These modules will provide living quarters for astronauts, laboratories for scientific research, and docking ports for spacecraft. One of the key advantages of the Gateway is its ability to facilitate missions to the lunar surface. Astronauts will travel from Earth to the Gateway and then descend to the Moon's surface using a lunar lander. The Gateway will also serve as a testing ground for technologies and systems needed for future missions to Mars and beyond. The lessons learned from operating in lunar orbit will be invaluable for future deep space exploration. Section 7. Artemis 3 and beyond. Pushing the boundaries. Artemis 3, the mission that will land astronauts on the Moon, is just the beginning of a new era of lunar exploration. The missions that follow will continue to push the boundaries of human knowledge and capabilities. One of the key objectives of these future missions will be to explore the lunar South Pole in more detail. This region is believed to hold vast reserves of water ice, which could be a valuable resource for future missions. Another focus will be on conducting scientific research on the Moon. The Moon offers a unique environment for studying planetary science, astrophysics, and even human biology. These discoveries could have significant implications for our understanding of the universe and ourselves. Furthermore, the Artemis program will pave the way for future missions to Mars. The technologies being developed and the lessons learned from operating on the Moon will be essential for sending humans to the Red Planet and beyond. Section 8, Inspiring the Future, the Artemis Generation's Legacy. The Artemis program is more than just a series of missions. It's an inspiration to a new generation of explorers, dreamers, and innovators. Witnessing humans return to the Moon will spark the imaginations of children around the world. The Artemis generation, inspired by this incredible feat of engineering and human endeavor, will be driven to pursue careers in STEM fields. They will be the ones who develop new technologies, make groundbreaking discoveries, and push the boundaries of human exploration even further. The program's emphasis on international collaboration also sets an example for future generations. It demonstrates that by working together we can achieve extraordinary things. This spirit of cooperation will be essential as we continue to explore our solar system and beyond. The legacy of the Artemis program will be felt for generations to come. It will inspire us to reach for the stars, to dream big, and to never stop exploring the unknown. It reminds us that the human spirit of exploration and discovery knows no bounds. Section 9. Conclusion, a giant leap for humankind. The Artemis program is a testament to human ingenuity, ambition, and our innate desire to explore the cosmos. It's a bold step towards establishing a sustainable presence on the Moon, unlocking its secrets and preparing us for even greater journeys into the vast expanse of space. As we embark on this new era of lunar exploration, we carry with us the dreams of generations past and the aspirations of generations to come. The Artemis program is not just about returning to the Moon, it's about pushing the boundaries of human potential and inspiring future generations to reach for the stars. The discoveries made and the lessons learned during this incredible journey will shape the future of space exploration for centuries to come. The Artemis program is a giant leap for humankind, propelling us towards a future where the stars are no longer the limit, but the beginning of a new frontier of endless possibilities.